BiltWell?
BiltWell.
I think it's BiltWell.
BiltWell? Who's BiltWell?
Built12.
BiltWell?
Ooh. Okay. So I know some people like razor this shit, but I'm just gonna go with a little flathead screwdriver and just start peeling back. I mean, I don't plan to reuse these grips. I just don't have a razor blade. So I'm just gonna start pulling on this.
It's like when you get a regular sized condom, you know what I'm saying?
Wait.
Oh.
Guys, if you're ever taking your handlebars off, make sure you have your best friend Joe around with a knife. Ow, I think I just stabbed myself with a knife. Okay. Okay, it's happening.
This is good.
Things are happening. Stranger things have happened.
2 seasons of Stranger Things have happened.
I'm gonna fucking make sure you get a foot on your bike here.
You gotta get a real.
Get it.
Oh, it came off. Oh. I think there's a little residue. That's right. That come off really easy.
Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. My wrist is. Oh, look at that little snake.
Let's take a snake.
This is a great knife.
Thanks, man.
Sharp. Or like army, like the ones that you like click and the thing goes like.
Oh yeah, you have to.
And then you pop them back down.
The law in California is the blade has to be short in the palm of your hand, and the blade has to have a preference to be closed. So like I have to press the button hard to get it to open.
See, I think that hand law is stupid.
So stupid. What if guys got a really big hand?
I was gonna say, what if you have fucking Andre the Giant coming at you with a machete?
Or if you got really small hands, what are you gonna do?
Okay, wait, I might have to take off. Okay, so you see right here? It's like clipped in like under here.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So I might have to loosen this up and just kind of scooch it. Okay, here it goes.
Yeah.
Okay. Things are happening.
Had Orochimaru's power, like, and was big.
Oh, look at all that.
All these things. And she didn't do any of that. She didn't have some special thing that happened to her.
Freedom.
She had to.
Freedom.
Well, that took a lot of work for no reason. I mean, that's how it goes, I guess. So this is the recommendations.
Yeah.
Isopropylene, rubbing alcohol, and just start working your way into it.
Oh ho! Oh look at this shit.
I've heard stories of the flat palm.
I can tell it works.
So, I've also heard at this point, once you're like pretty far down, to stop smacking it, because if you smack it too hard, the metal ring right here will snap into your rubber, and your rubber will literally pop off, and you will have. All right. One down.
Well, that's the hard one too.
That's sick, dude. Ugh, smoke break.
Yeah, it was this one, right?
Drink break.
Drink break.
All right, so I think we got the method. A little bit of rubbing alcohol in there, a little rubbing alcohol in here. Give it a little wish-washy. And then just start putting it in until it stops coming in. And then giving it some good old bumpies. Oh no! Twist and flat palm. Oh. Okay. All we're almost in. So the last thing that you gotta do is make sure that that your pattern is straight. Because if not, it means your grips are twisted. And you know, so you can twist like this, and so the grips start twisting. So you make sure that everything's fucking lined up. It's right here. There you go.
Maxie.
That took too much effort. Okay? This is gonna be like put your grips on your bike. It's super easy, super simple. And although it was very easy and simple theoretically, it was way too much work. The last thing you gotta know is you gotta leave these things. Don't ride for 8 hours, at least 8 hours. Let it sit overnight. All that, it'll let the isopropylene dry. It'll let everything, seal and set. And that way when you're riding, your grips aren't moving around. Everything should be pretty legit, pretty set. So, I'm already out of breath, but that was it. Peace.
You look tired.
I am tired. Leave me alone. Time to drink and smoke.